Thanks for stopping by. Please like and subscribe to help our new channel grow. Master a fiery, mouth-watering Sichuan Spicy Boiled Beef in just 5 easy steps. Step 1. Tenderize the beef. Slice beef thin. Coat with 2 Tbsp cornstarch, then a splash of oil. Marinate 15 minutes. Step 2. Prep veggies and aromatics. Rinse enoki mushrooms, chop cilantro, mince garlic, slice celtuce. Step 3. Flash fry the beef. Heat. Plenty of oil on high. Stir fry beef just until color changes. Remove immediately. Step 4. Build the broth and combine. Add a little oil, sauté garlic, then spoon in water boiled meat sauce on low. Pour in E2 bowls water. Once boiling, add celtuce and enoki. Pour in E2 bowls water. Once boiling, add celtuce and enoki. Return to a boil, add beef, boil again, then transfer everything to a serving bowl. Step 5. Fiery finish. Top with cilantro, chili flakes and minced garlic. Heat oil until smoking hot. Pour over the dish for that signature sizzle.